Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm David. This week's project is going to be a pretty simple one. Should be about a one-day build. Just going to make a simple coat rack to hang beach bags on for someone's beach house. And rather than trying to avoid some of these defects, I think I'm going to incorporate them into the design. Perfect. So this is fitting in between a wall and a door jamb. So I'm going to cut it a 1/16 inch short just so we make sure we got room for it to fit. All right, now I'm going to get it on the router table. I'm going to round over the corners and then I'm going to put an OG edge on it. The next step is to apply this weathered wood accelerator, and my hope is it turns this to a nice silvery shade of gray. I've used this once before and had good results, so hopefully I'll have good results again. I've seen people use like steel wool and vinegar, but I had this for another project, so I figured I'd give it a try. It takes a while for it to work. And I may need 2 coats. And just put a liberal amount on and we'll let it sit for, I don't know, probably an hour. Pretty happy with the gray tone on this. This is what it looked like before, and this is after putting the wood accelerator on there and letting it sit for about an hour, hour and a half. The next step is make up just a little bit of kind of a whitewash, white paint, and I'm going to rub it on and see what it does. I'm going to really thin out some white latex paint here. Oh, it's too thick. That's looking pretty cool, about what I was looking for, but I'm gonna let that dry for a while. But I got to thinking about the hooks, and originally I was just gonna put white or chrome metal hooks on here, but I was at Home Depot last night and found these shaker pegs, and I just think these would look so much better on here. So I'm going to give these the same treatment as I did to this. Just going to dunk that in there. This is a little bit different wood, so this may take more than one treatment to get it to gray up. All right, I'll come back in about an hour. While I'm waiting on the accelerator to dry on the pegs, and I did go ahead and put a second coat on, so they're getting really gray. I'm going to go ahead and drill my holes for these pegs to go in. God, I hate these drill bits. Trash. Okay, it's a wrap on the project this week. I've made this for someone's beach house, and I think they're going to like it just fine. I didn't put any mounting holes on it because next time I visit, we'll figure out where the studs are and mount it up because they hang some heavy beach bags on it. Again, thanks for coming along. Appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy my channel. We'll see you on the next one.